Hey, if you want to add or remove folders on your home screen in the POCO X6 Pro, first let's for example remove this games folder. We have to click and hold on it with our finger, and then when we click on the edit folder, first we can change the size of it. But if you want to remove, you have to simply click and hold and then drag right here. So one more time, click and hold and then drag just right here. And now as you can see, these games are not back on our screen, they just go into the up drawer. But if you want to create some folders, click and hold for one of the icon and then move this icon above another icon. Just like this. And then release. Now the folder was created, so you can easily add here other apps. And when you open it, you can simply change the name. Click here to confirm. And now if you click and hold on it and tap on the edit folder, you can get it bigger by clicking for one of the following size and tap here, and as you can see, that's how it looks. So yeah, that's all. Right now please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.